Hi everyone, my name is Kek Tay, and in this room here this morning we have also Jason Sandu from the customer success team, and we're here to help you with the onboarding and just to kind of kick off the whole use of Sparky and Field Notes for your organization. So we're going to spend about 15 to 20 minutes to kind of give you an overview for today, and then follow up with the scheduling of onboarding sessions for your team overall. Our agenda is to do a quick overview to kind of help show you how to get started, and then kind of share with you what the customer journey looks like, how we're going to help you, and then let's talk about next steps as well too. So, just to kind of give you a little bit of context of who we are, we're FieldNotes AI, and we've been around for the past 4 years. And part of our team also consists of real estate agents. If you ever see our customer reviews on Capterra, you see a lot of our reviews there, you see that the thing that makes us stand out really is that we are passionate about helping our customers, and we want to make sure that you're successful, and that's why our team is called Customer Success. Now, and we also focus on real estate. Our solution, everything that we're doing right now, is all focused on real estate, and we're here to help you and make sure that you're successful with your real estate business as well too. Now, let's share a little bit about why we exist and what we're trying to help you with. So, really, we often see that there are four key things that we see with real estate agents about missed opportunities. When we get so busy with the day to day of working with clients, we see that there are some leads that are forgotten and missed because we're focused on the now, right? And so we fail to follow up with them, and to a point where it may be months that may have passed, or vice versa, past clients as well too. They fall through the cracks because we forget to kind of meet up with them, to touch base with them and see how they're doing, or grab coffee with them. And so these are areas and some of the challenges that when you're so busy, or you forget about that, with the list of contacts that you have, you forget to follow up with them. Couple of other areas that we also see is like misappointments, deadlines for transactions as well too, and we can show you how Sparky can help you with that. And the last one of all is you hate being a data monkey, and that really refers to the fact that at the end of a busy day, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is do data entry on a CRM. And so and now you've got Sparky as your assistant, that you can tell it exactly what you want to be done for your contacts, and it will help you with that. And so we'll share more on that as well too. But the whole notion of that, if you don't like sitting in front of a computer, you rather be in front of people, and so we're going to help you with that as well. So, who is Sparky? Who am I? So you get to know that Sparky, is an AI assistant, and through text and email, you will be able to use Sparky to help you organize or add contacts to your database. It will help you follow up on appointments or remind you of follow-up tasks, even suggest contacts to connect with, so that your contacts don't fall through the cracks. Even help you with managing your transaction deadlines, such as earnest money due or closings, or any contingencies that may come from a deal. And also, it will help you nurture your leads and contacts. And overall, Sparky, our goal is that, and our promise to you is that we want Sparky to be accurate and fast and convenient for you, so that you can focus on your relationships with your clients. So getting started is pretty simple to kind of set up. Here are 5 simple steps. And when you go to the start page down here at https fieldnotes.ai/start, it will also kind of launch a a page which will also have a bot that will actually walk you through what I'm about to do for you as well too. Okay. Um, the 5 simple steps are pretty simple. First, you save Sparky as contact, and you see that his phone number 716-221-8028, and then also Sparky at FieldNotes.ai. Simply save that as a contact, and I would even recommend that saving as a favorite as well too, because you will be using it often. um, and then also we have a mobile app, and the mobile app you can download on the Google Store, or the iTunes or Apple App Store as well too, and look for the word Field Notes AI. That's the keyword search to look for the app, and then you'll see the icon with a capital, with the F and an N, and that you will know that this is Field Notes. Um, the last thing, or the third thing to do, is to connect your calendar and your email to Field Notes as well too, and this allows you to basically let Sparky add or remove calendar events onto your calendar so that you can see on your phone, and then also in emails too. If you start using the action plans, which we'll share more, Sparky will send emails on your behalf out of your email account. So that's why we do that. And then setting up the signature is also important for any emails that go out or any text messages that go out on your behalf, that it has your name, your contact information in there as well too. You all for connecting your calendar and setting up your calendar, just simply go to the upper right hand corner under your name, and you'll see the profile to set up your signature, and settings to kind of connect your calendar. And then the last step is really to send your contacts and upload your contacts. Um, and unlike any other system, unlike any other CRMs, uploading is not needed. When you want to bring your data into your contacts into Field Notes, simply send a CSV or Excel file to Sparky, and it will automatically upload it for you. Okay. Next, let's show you how it works. So here's one simple example. You basically take a picture of a business card. It's a simple exercise, and it's one of many ways to interact with Field Notes or with Sparky. Take a picture of a business card, and then on the text message also, you can kind of add not only just to image, but also add some instructions or information as well too. Like in this example here, you say, "Hi Sparky, remind me to follow up with home options for a 3-bedroom, 2 baths homes in Bellevue by tomorrow at 5 p.m." So what's going to happen is that when you do this with this example, is that this contact Chris is going to be added to your database, and then it will also create a reminder for you to for tomorrow at 5 p.m. to send some listings, available homes, to Chris as well too. So it's something as simple as that normally would take you 5 to 10 minutes to kind of create and add the information to your database and to kind of follow up on. Sparky automatically does it for you. And so that's the intent to be able to save you time, to make sure that none of these this information is dropped or forgotten, and to be able to kind of actively kind of help you with all of this as your assistant. Now, what should you expect? So we are going to be working with one of you guys to kind of do to kind of train the trainer concept, and basically to have a power user. And so one of your admin users will become the power user, and which they can help you with any technical questions or specific questions as well too. And and we will enable them to be able to help you internally because they are working with you. So we will be actively working with your power user, admin assistant, on doing that. Secondly, we will be scheduling 2 training sessions, and that will be scheduled soon. And during that time, we will do live training sessions with you guys to kind of be able to kind of help you make sure that you're able to get the most use out of the system. The third resource that you'll have is you can always go to the support forum, which is at support.fieldnotes.ai. And this allows you to basically search for topics on getting started to troubleshooting, or even checking out on what are the latest features or releases and how to use it as well too. If you need any more help, there's the main phone number shown here, as well as also an email address, which you can always kind of send for information. You can also go to the support forum to kind of submit a support ticket as well too. Okay. We will also do weekly check-ins with the power user, your assistant, admin assistant, and then to be able to kind of help them with making sure that we can help them answer any questions that you guys might be running into. And then we will also be working with your team to do a monthly account check-in, just to kind of help you get started, and making sure that everything's on course and on track. And if you guys have any issues, that we can kind of make sure that we address that as well too. Our goal is really to kind of make sure that you are successful. And let me kind of share with you the next slide on what that looks like. So, so we kind of create this kind of a customer journey map. And over the course of a year. So right now we're at onboarding stage. We're doing a kickoff meeting right now. And then you see that, during the 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and even a year as well too, that we will do the 2 training sessions, and then as well as also making sure that we do the train the trainer. Usually it gets taken care of within 3 meetings, but we can add more as well too. Also doing the account calls. For first 3 calls, we'll do it monthly, and then we start kind of doing every other month as well too. And our goal is that we want to make sure that we're here to support you guys. Now, if you kind of notice the bottom here, there will be some excitement and some confusion on, how do I get started? How do I use this? That's why we want to be active in supporting you and answering any questions. So feel free to kind of reach out to us. That's what we're here for. Now our goal then after the first 3 months is to really overall in the year, throughout the year, and there's no hard and fast rule on the timelines, but to kind of help you bake it into your rhythm of your business. And that really means that, we want to use, let you use Sparky and FieldNotes as part of your business process, how you deal with it on a day-to-day basis, right? It's important for us to kind of make sure that, you are successful in using this and using it for your daily business. And then when you get into that rhythm, then level up is really to kind of help you to kind of share more advanced topics, or share with you some best practices throughout the year, but also to kind of help you with like lead generation, other areas that we can kind of build into the system over the course of the year. And so this is something that, we want to encourage you and strive for each one of you to be successful as well too. Next steps. So the next steps is really for you to log in, and to log in into FieldNotes through app.fieldnotes.ai, and your email and the initial password that's been provided to you. So again, go to https://app.fieldnotes.ai, and you can log in with your email address and the initial password provided. And you can also try that sending a business card exercise that I shared with you, or you can even do a voice to text of contacts that you've just met, and send it to Sparky via text or email as well too. So those are a couple of ways to get started. And then as we schedule the training sessions, I would encourage you to attend both of them to get the most out of it, and so that you can make sure that you know how to use it and use it effectively as well too. The one last thing also is, we are creating a website for you, and we will be integrating those leads coming from the website going into your CRM as well, into FieldNotes. So I would encourage you to stay aware of it, and we will keep communicating and updating you on this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's what we're here for. We're here to help support you. Feel free to reach out to us at the information that we mentioned, the support ticket. Email us or call us as well too. We will be sending out this deck to you for the team to kind of review and kind of share internally as well too. Look forward to working with you, and look forward to kind of seeing you guys at the training sessions as well too. Thank you.